Hi, so this is a video regarding templator application overview. In this video, I will demonstrate to you the application. It is an application which automates your workflow of document generation and document management. It is primarily designed for Google Workspace applications using Google Docs, Sheets, and Google Drive as per its needs. So what it does basically, using a template, you can generate various documents with the help of this tool, and it would be automatically keeping logs of the records, and it will also make your workflow quite easy as compared to the traditional method. If you talk about features of the templater application, primarily it is working on automatic philosophy, which is to automate the document generation workflow for repetitive documents where you have to generate same document for multiple instances. It could be users, it could be persons, or it could be organizations. Then similarly, you can switch the templates just with the help of a click, so you don't have to open a file or to open another document and then work on that one. Along with these duplicate documents or repetitive documents, document management is also a challenge where you can't keep track of all the documents you have generated or you have sent. People traditionally do it with emails. Whenever you need a document which you have generated or which you have shared with someone, you will try to find out from your physical drives or from your mails. Apart from that, whatever data is generated from the templater, it is stored in the cloud, which is Google Drive. So all of your documents are stored in your Google Drive. They are secure and they are available for you on any of the devices. This application also works on browser, so you can use it on any of the devices with your Google account. So now let's open the application and we'll see how does it works. For more information, you can visit our website where you will see all the details related to the application. This is the application I have right now open, and this is the home interface which you see after installing the templater. We have a separate video showing how to install it in your account, which you can find in the description as well as in the end of this video. So I will show you the template, how templates are designed and how they are used. So for example, this is a template which comes predefined with the template application. It is majorly designed for meeting notes, and it is a Google default document also. We have just reconfigured it to work with the templater. So any of the object or text which you want to replace in your document, you have to only put it inside a curly bracket, starting curly bracket, then your text whatever you want to replace, and then this closing curly bracket. In your document, you can use the same philosophy to provide replacement text and variables, we can say. Also, you can use the same variable as many times you want, and you will have to only fill it once while generating the document. So we'll just create a sample document for this template using our application. So we'll go and select the template, that's meeting note, and we can just type the name, demonstration meeting for templater, for example. I will just fetch the template and it will get all the variables inside that file and ask me to fill data for each of them. So for this one, we'll just see demonstration date. We'll see 01/01/2022. Time, we'll keep it nil. Location, we can also say attendees are Mr. Azhar and Vikas, for example. Remarks, keep it this one also empty. Then it is asking me to confirm whether I want a PDF as well or not. So I will just click on this one also. In that case, it will generate a PDF file as well along with document. I will just click on the generate document and it will automatically replace those text inside that template and create new documents. So if I open the document file, that same template, its design, formatting, everything is same. Only the text which we have filled in our document generation window, they have been replaced. All the text which were in curly brackets and we have provided information in document generation window, they have been generated. Similarly, you can see the PDF file as well, which was selected while generating the document. So this is the PDF file from the same document. It is automatically named after T4, which was our current document number. You can also find this document in your record sheet. So if I say T-4, it will take me to the same document number, and from there I can easily find this PDF file as well as document file. So this was about the template application uses. If you want to have more information, please visit our website and install the application using installation guide. There are separate videos for templates and settings as well. Please watch them if you want to have overview of individual features. So thank you for watching.